Hello YouTube, this is Joffa5555. This is my first lockpick video. I've just got into it. I've been interested in it for a long time, and watching all the YouTube videos, I finally decided to get a lockpick set and then some. This is an order I've got from lockpick.com. Took 3 days to arrive, which is pretty good. And I thought I'd do the initial unboxing and see for myself and show everyone else what it is that I got, and go from there. The first thing I see is this. Sorry about my DSLR doesn't autofocus. Okay, everyone knows what these are. Little shims. Look like they're made of plastic, but they're not. I assume they're made of spring steel. This is a bit like my Christmas present before Christmas. Southwood MPXS-32 lockpick set. It's a hell of a lot heavier than I thought it would be. It's a bit of a step up from the bobby pin and bent spring I've been using. Interesting to see what these are like. Very nice. It's going to be fun to learn how to use them. Jackknife lockpick set. There's instructions, which is nice. Still feels very nice. Let's turn autofocus to manual. Not even sure how to open it. Feels very solid anyway. And I'll get back to that. Jiggler set. More techniques I want to learn, the better. It's a clear see-through lock, spool pins, very large set of bump keys. Something everyone's seen and I've seen, and something I always wanted to try. So it's going to be very interesting to see how effective these are. Another clear lock, standard pin type. Got a set of pick grips, because after 15 minutes of fiddling around I start to get sore hands, so I'll try these, see how they go. Not sure what's in here. Southwood key pouch. Combs maybe. Okay, I'm not too sure why I got these, but I don't mind. Very small. I think these are broken key removers. Comes in a little pouch of its own. I forget what this is called, but you stick it into the side of a door and pull the lock straight out. Little bump hammer. It's a lot lighter than I thought. A little lockpick gun. Always wanted to have one of these, now I do. Lifetime warranty, that's pretty good. Yeah. Basic set of bump keys. Okay, I guess I went a little bit overboard. Got a little table vise. Three hands is better than two. Okay, there's the combs. Wooden picks. Okay, these will be the auto locks. One's Ford and one's GM. It's a nice little collection to start with. Looking forward to giving it all a crack and posting some more videos of my attempts, failed attempts and luck cases of picking locks. Until then, bye.